Hello everyone, welcome to Nas Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today, we are going to practice some of the amazing brand names that are difficult for you to pronounce in British English. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. How you can pronounce this one? It is Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana. We'll pronounce it like not and, but like alphabet N. Dolce and Gabbana. Gabbana. Try to practice with me. Whenever I'm pronouncing any word, try to pause the video, but before that, listen carefully, then pause the video and try to copy the same accent. Try to emulate. So it is Dolce and Gabbana. Next one, this is Gucci. Gucci. You see, two syllables, the first one like Gucci. Gucci. Valentino. Valentino. That's pretty much easy. Louis Vuitton. We are pronouncing N in Vuitton, so it is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Then we have Christian Dior. Christian Dior. We can also say it Dior. Christian Dior. Amaze. Amaze. H is silent here, so it's amaze. Then we have Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Chanel. Chanel. Burberry. Burberry. It is Burberry. Now, this word have different pronunciation in different regions. We pronounce it in British English Versace. Versace. But it can also pronounce like in American English Versace. Versace. So it is Versace or Versace. You can pronounce it in both ways. Both are correct. Now, let's have a look on some car brands, and you have to tell me which car is your most favorite one. Tell me in the comment section. Before that, the brand names you have done before, tell me which brand is your most favorite. Tell me in the comment section. Let's get in the car brand names. Jaguar. Jaguar. You see, it is in British English, it is Jaguar. 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 Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce, the elite one. Mercedes. Mercedes. It is Mercedes, which is my favorite car. Is it yours? Tell me in the comment section. Aston Martin. Aston Martin. Aston Martin. Bentley. 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 Audi. In British English, it is Audi, but in American English, we can say it Audi. Audi in American English, and in British English, we say it Audi. Audi. Just like that, we have Porsche. In American English, we can say it with some extra sounds. It is Porsche, or in Germany also it's Porsche, but in British English, it is Porsche. Porsche. Ferrari. Ferrari. Land Rover. Land Rover. Then we have Ford. Ford. Then we have Lamborghini. Lamborghini. In British English it is Lamborghini, but in Italian it is Lamborghini. Lamborghini. But in British you say it a Lamborghini or Lambo. Lambo. We have Volvo. Volvo. It's a common car in England, so it's Volvo. Volvo. Then we have Honda. 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 Then we have Maserati. Maserati. We say it's Maserati. In British English or American, it is Maserati, but in Italian, it is Maserati. Maserati. Or in British, it is Maserati. Maserati. Then Toyota. Toyota. Then we have Vauxhall. Vauxhall. It's also a common car in England, Vauxhall. So now that's it for today's video. Let me know which car is your dream car out of all of these. Is it Mercedes, Bentley, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, or Maserati? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take great care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.